Hello, grade 6, how are you? Today we are going to do the activities for the reading comprehension lesson. Let's start with exercise number 1. Answer the questions. What is Tahiti? I want you to remember everything. Excellent. It's an island. Number 2. Which ocean is Tahiti in? Good. In the South Pacific. What things can you see on the island? Yes, we can see flowers, fruits, rainforests, mountains, and waterfalls. What underwater activity can you do? Underwater. Yes, diving. What things can you see underwater? We can see coral and fish. Where can you go canoeing? Yes, in the lagoons. What is the fast way up the mountains? I think in a 4x4. What are the Tahitian people like? Yes, they are friendly. Good job, girls. Exercise number 2. About the answers to these questions. Question number 1. What do you think the weather is like on Tahiti? How do you know? Okay, I want you to think about that. Good answer. I think it's hot because the sea around the island is warm. The sea is sparkling and glittering, so the sun must be shining. Excellent. Clever answer. Number 2. How was Tahiti formed in the ocean? One word tells you. Try to remember. It's very important. Excellent. By volcano. The word is volcanic. So because of that, we understood that Tahiti formed by volcano. Good job. Okay. Excellent, girls. Now, exercise number 3, which is very interesting. Try to remember all the colors that mentioned in the lesson. Yes, green and turquoise, white and blue. Excellent. What do the colors above tell you about Tahiti? Take the best answer according to these colors. What do you think? It is an island with trees. It is natural and beautiful. It is far away in the ocean. Yes, good job. It is natural and beautiful. See, find the 3 adjectives to describe the water around the island. Yes, glittering, clear, and calm, and also we have more than these adjectives. Okay, yes, according to these adjectives, we think that the water around the island is clean and safe. Good job, girls. Now I want you to open your workbook on page 62. Let's start with exercise number 1, which is very important. Here in this exercise we have sentences, and in these sentences we have mistakes, grammatical mistakes. So we are going to correct them according to the previous years and previous lessons that we had. Okay, let's start with number 1. Lucy is taking the bus to school every day. Do you remember every day? Yes, so when do we use every day? Excellent, for simple present, and is taking is wrong, so takes. Good. My brother enjoyed playing football. Also here we have a simple present sentence. So because of that, enjoy is wrong. Why? Because we have my brother, which is who's he. So because of that, enjoy should be enjoys. John has gone to Scotland last year. Last year for the past simple. So because of that, has gone is wrong. So the right is went. Number 4, you will see skyscrapers if you will go to New York. Here we have if a close sentence. So because of that, it will be here. Will go here must be go in the simple present too. 5. Would you mind to open the window? And here we have a polite permission, but you should understand that after would you mind we have make open into or change open into the ing form, opening the window. If Sam would work harder, he would pass his exam. If Sam would work harder, he would pass his exam. And here also we have if clause, which is in the past. And would work here is wrong. So the right is worked. Good. Number 7, the children was playing on the beach. Is it correct to use was with the children? No. So was should be were playing because we have children, not child. Number 8, the train will leaving at 8 o'clock. Is it right to say will leaving? No. So the correct answer is will leave. We have the base form after will. Excellent, girls. All of your answers are right. Now exercise number 2. Here I want you to try to remember all the words that mentioned in the reading text. So here they helped you by putting the first letter of every word. So let's start. The wind stopped blowing and the sea became excellent, calm again. The sun was shining. The children jumped into the sparkling water. Good. In the middle of the island, snowy peaks rose up in the blue sky. Colorful fish and strange sea creatures lived in the coral reefs or reef. Good. We took food, water, and a map and set out to explore the island. Good. Behind the trees, we found a hidden cave. Windsurfing and jet skiing are exciting, excellent activities. The boys could ride well, so they traveled through the mountains on good horseback. Excellent, girls. Now I want you to open on page 63. Okay, let's start with the first exercise. Choose the best word to complete each sentence. We have coral reef, canoe, jet ski, windsurf, ocean, and dolphins. Around Tahiti is the clear blue, yes, ocean. You can across the bays. So the answer, windsurf. Good. You can touch the in the bay. Dolphins. You can dive down to the coral reef. You can round the island. Jet ski. You can across the calm lagoons. Canoe. Good job, girls. Exercise number 3. We have attractive, meet, encourage, explore, persuade. Okay. So, which word means to say things that help people to do something? Yes. Encourage. To say things that make people want to do something. Yes. Persuade. To see and talk with someone. Meet. To go to a new place and see what is there. Explore. Looking nice and pretty. Attractive. Excellent, girls. Exercise number 4. Match and write the words that have the same or similar meaning. You have a pretty, persuade, peak, sparkling, unseen, and discover and order. Mountain, yes, peak. Shining, sparkling. Arrange, order. Encourage, persuade. Attractive, pretty. Explore, discover. Hidden, unseen. Good job, girls. All of your answers are right. Now I want you to open your workbook on page 70 and 71 to do the check up activities. Okay, here we are going to do the first exercise. Complete the sentences with the word in the box. Here we have me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Do you remember them? All of them are object pronouns. Good. Let's start. It's a grandpa's birthday next week. Let's buy a present. Let's buy him a present. Good. The children are bored. Can you read them a story? Good. I'll write to you. Please, your address. Please give me your address. Nobody wanted this little dog, so we gave a home. We gave it. Are you hungry, boys? Shall I make some sandwiches? You. We are going to France. Can you teach me French? My sister was feeling sad, so I told her some jokes. Do you like guitar music? Shall I play you my favorite tune? Excellent. Good answers. Exercise number 2. I want you here to change the sentence. I need the same sentence but in different way, okay? I bought these flowers for grandma. Yes, we can say also I bought her these flowers. John played a tune for grandpa. Yes, John played him a tune. Lily read a story to the children. Lily read them a story. Mom gave my brother and me some sweets. Mom gave us some sweets. Excellent. Okay, here exercise number 3. Do you remember the permissions and the polite requests? Okay, let's see. Number the sentences from 1 to 5. Start with the least polite. Okay, which one do you think is the least polite from these sentences? Yes. Give me some water. Here, I think it's the least polite. Okay, which is the next? Can I have some water? And third one, could I have some water? 4, can I have some water, please? The most polite one is, may I have some water? Good girls. Number 4, write questions, use a different verb each time. Okay, you want to borrow your friend's rubber. So what are you going to say? Yes, you can say, can I borrow your rubber? Why? Because here you are talking to your friend. Excellent. You'd like to have a sandwich, ask your grandma nicely. Okay, so what should you say here? Excellent. Could I have a sandwich, please? You need to leave the room. Ask your teacher very politely. So here you should say, may I leave the room, please? Excellent, girls. Good job. Last exercise. Before starting with our exercise, here you should carefully look at these pictures and try to read. Hello, Aunt Meg. Hello, Pete. Hello, Sally. What a lovely day. 2 ice creams, please. Could I have a kite, please, Aunt Meg? Of course. We must thank Aunt Meg. She isn't at home. Let's send her an email. Okay. So here, you are going to answer these questions according to the pictures, and the answers should be as a paragraph, okay? Let's read the questions first. Who did Sally and Pete visit on Saturday? Where did she take them? Was the weather cold and wet? What did Aunt Meg buy them? What did Pete want? Did Aunt Meg get him one? When Pete and Sally got home, could they speak to Aunt Meg? Why not? So what did they do? Okay, look at this paragraph. I have colored the answers according to each sentence. Okay, let's read the paragraph here. On Saturday morning, Sally and Pete visited Aunt Meg. She took them to the beach. The weather was lovely, hot and sunny. Aunt Meg bought them ice creams. Pete wanted a kite. Aunt Meg got him one. When Pete and Sally got home, they tried to phone Aunt Meg to thank her. They couldn't speak to Aunt Meg because she wasn't at home, so they sent her an email. Okay, have you answered them like this? Good job, girls. Thank you very much for watching. For next class, inshallah, we are going to start with Unit 8, which is very interesting, and I hope you had fun in this video. See you next time, girls. Thank you. Bye bye.